Current events. In Blender, there has been a significant change, and it's not a change that it happened overnight. It's happened, probably a year and a half, just about. It's a plugin or an addition now called Bmesh. Now the difference here is here. Let's go into object mode and just get rid of this thing. Let's add a new cube. This is 2.62. All right. And if I go into edit mode and use this knife tool, which is K left mouse button, I get this wacky results, right? And if I want to cut like this face, maybe right here. Okay, K left click. Wow, right? Horrible. And there's really no options to kind of tone it down either. All right, but let's go into the 2.63, which is going to be released in 2 weeks, but you can get a test build at blender.org. Let's go into Cube. Okay, let's pretend I want to cut a hole right here, okay, or make an odd shape in the center. Let's think about odd shape for a second. So, K, left mouse button, I'm going to just make a very odd shape. Well, you got to be in edit mode, by the way, too. So hit tab first. K, left mouse button gives you this green dot. Well, let's say I wanted to make some kind of weird door here. And it had to be a specific shape. Just like that. Let's right click. Bam. This is what I get. Very cool. All right, but the topology is quite awful. So let's fix up the topology, shall we? Control R. You can see that I can insert an edge loop here. Control R. Insert an edge loop there. And let's see if that's going to be enough. Okay, again, I'll hit K and join those together. Right click, K, left click, right click, and this one right here, K, left click, I'll join that, and let's see if I can do this one. Okay, so it's kind of like a puzzle of Tetris here. And since it's an odd number of faces, I'm probably going to yield a triangle. Well, no, here's a quad. Very cool, if you ask me. No doubt about it. Now, after which, you can kind of work out things like before, modifiers wouldn't work. Okay, but now, if you add a modifier like multi-resolution and hit subdivide, you can see it subdivides, but very poorly because of the topology in that area. Okay, so to improve topology, the one thing I noticed that there is a bug of deselecting faces. That's kind of annoying. But other than that, let's say I highlight all these edges, extrude them, scale them in, kind of modify the vertice a little bit here in this area. As I said, the deselection process is kind of buggy. If you hit A, you can deselect. But hey, still pretty good. A, deselect. Okay, watch what happens when I modify it now. Better. And I can even fill this hole if I wanted to. The fill command will not work unless it has good topology. There's F, A, F A F. Okay. Now you can see I got a very flat surface on this. Would be an kind of a sphere if I had let it become a sphere. Very cool stuff. Big game changer, I think. Takes a while to get used to, but I thought I would point it out as a current event in Blender. Enjoy.